Welcome back, traders. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my week's analysis and some plays I'll be watching for the week. And I'll also be showing you how I go about the analysis. So as I have here, this is DXY. You can see that DXY created from an inflection point and is currently moving to the downside. Going down to the 4-hour, you can see that DXY is actually sat in this area right here. DXY isn't actually in a free range. There's this kind of inflection point right here. Your price action can actually react and maybe move to the upside, but then it can as well break and retest the back end of this whole structure. And actually looking out for the two scenarios. So for the meantime, I'm neutral on DXY till I see what develops around this area right here. That goes on to show that in most dollar pairs, I'm neutral as well. So I'm open to whatever happens at market open. In order to move through the watch list very fast, I'll be pausing the audio and just be showing you the video. Mind you that these watch lists are subject to change as the week develops.